What message do you learn from the legacy of Nelson Mandela, and what message would you share with young people to help them in terms of their aspirations?
Thank you so much, Irene. Lots of great things have been talked about Mandela, and actually would have loved to add on a lot more things. But in the interest of time, I'll be brief and talk about only three. First of all, as young people, I think it's important for us to analyze what made Mandela great. You see, Mandela as a young man, he was an accomplished lawyer, he was a son of a chief, but he, together with his comrades, offered themselves for the cause of the country. You know, in the face of injustice, like our own President Museveni in their youthful days, they did not fold their hands and resign to apathy, but they looked injustice face to face in the eyes and found solutions. And indeed, they played their own role and registered some achievements. So I would wonder what President Mandela, or indeed our own President Museveni, would be thinking if they were young men today. I think they would still... I think they would do the same. Secondly, you see, Nelson Mandela embodied almost all qualities of good leadership: democracy, unity, rule of law, and indeed he bore them at heart, not just in rhetoric, because we are looking at a leader who, after suffering in jail for 27 years, still did not have a sense of entitlement. He's a leader who became president and served only one term. And he saw it, that it was not about himself, but the nation. And indeed, he stepped down from the office of presidency and gave chance for the younger generations to take control and contribute to their country as the elder leaders were offering guidance and advice. And I think still Nelson Mandela exhibited servant leadership. We can recall from his inaugural speech when he said, "I stand before you not as a prophet, but as a humble servant of the people."
Thank you.
So if I could conclude, please.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'd like to... okay, you can take 1 minute to conclude.
Thank you very much for 1 minute. Yeah, I'll be very brief. That's a lesson for the young and old leaders. And finally, Mandela was talking to the South African youth sometime, and he's quoted to have said that sometimes it's upon a generation to be great. You can be that generation. So I want us to take a lesson as the young people of this generation to understand that every generation has had its challenges. For the Mandelas, it was apartheid. For the Nyereres and Nkrumahs, it was colonialism. For the Musevenis and his comrades, it was bad politics and instability. For us, it is unemployment, it is exclusion, and it is corruption and all those things. So we must rise to the occasion and play our part. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'll open this up and take only...
Yes, we bali kubeerako ku UG Updates TV kusinza okuba ng'otuwuliriza bw'atanaba kuba ng'otwegattako kubiriza ogende waliwo ekigambo subscribe wansi kikoneko ojja kuba osobola otweyungako ddala bulungi nnyo gwagala otufollowinga gwagala okunyumirwa bye tukola gwagala okuwagira ku channel eno wagira enkulaakulana n'enkyukakyuka mu ggwanga gwe wekka bwe ŋŋamba bino ng'omukwano gwange ali yampuliriza nabagamba nti nno channel zino zituyambako nnyo mbiseera bya campaign gwe mukwano gwange so tufeeyo nnyo okuba nga tuzikulaakulanya so oba ng'osubscribinze tekirina kye kikukosaako tekirina kye kikuggyako kira wansi waliwo ekigambo subscribe kikoneko okonene mu kale tusobole okuba nga tugenda mu maaso gwe mukwano gwange ali yampuliriza ebigambo bya honorable President Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu obiwulidde ng'agezaako okuba nga attattana n'obuddu obwa omuganda waffe Nakyemalira ng'era agezaako okuba nga watanya ensonga lwaki yayingira ebyobufuzi gwe mukwano gwange ali eyampuliriza. Tukimanyi bulungi nti nno Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu yayigira ebyobufuzi kaŋŋambe nti nno abakulembeze baamu underestimatinga era y'ensonga waaki bwe baamunyooma bwe yamala okulya akaluuko bwa MP we yavaayo n'agaasa ebiddamu baasooka bonna ne bassa kaweerero ne bagakyabika abinnyuse ate n'avaayo ne yeerangirira nti agenda kuba akola ki akoze ekibiina n'osookola recruitments okuva mu bibiina ebyebunaayira okudda mu kibiina kya Nuupu ate bwe yalangirira nti nno agenda kufuuka omukulembeze era baasooka ku underestimatinga naye ne bawulira kati ebbugumu ly'ayina gwe mukwano gwange ali eyampuliriza. Olowooza ki ku biseera ebyo ne ku bigambo ebyo era byaleka Mwami Yoweri Kaguta Museveni? Jangu mu comment section nkwanirizaako mukwano gwange gwena yenna kutegeeza nti okola kyamaanyi nnyo okwekumira ku mayunga n'aga UG Updates TV. Yonna gy'osinzirira mbaagala nnyo baganda bange era mbategeeza nti nno temuvaako tugenda kuba nga tukomawo mweraba.